Well, there's the iconic Jefferson Station mosaic right there. Don't want to get these guys on camera, but we're gonna try and, looks like we have to take the other one because the one I usually take's broken. Epic fail. Hopefully this one's not broken up here. There's the mosaic. Some of the sunlight, but it's better to, but you can see some peaks of the sunlight on the mosaic, on this portion of the mosaic. But in my opinion, it's better to take an outbound at night. I meant towards Thorndale, an outbound at night, in my opinion, because you get the full effect of the mosaic right there. Hopefully this elevator is not broken. Epic fail. Epic fail, because that one I usually take up is. Here for the Philly Auto Show. Yeah, hopefully this elevator isn't broken. I know that escalator is. Doesn't appear to be broken. I'll dig for my key card. There we go. Here we are, the 12th and Filbert Streets elevator. I usually take up the 10th end. There we go. Let's go up. This is to 12th and Filbert. I usually take up the one from 10th and Filbert, but that one is broken. So this was an Otis, and it was installed in 1984. I'm gonna send this up and try and get. I'm gonna send this one up and try and get that. See if that one chimes. Alrighty, there it goes, and let's try this again. Let's try this again. This is at section A. There's an elevator to the street sign. That was my phone. I think I hear it coming down, but I'm not sure if that's a train or not. that barely lights up. And it chimes, but it also chimes with that barely lights up. Go up to S, close it up. Appears to be much cleaner than the 1 to 10th enveloper. Only that indicator is completely burnt out, I believe. We're stopping on C. You going up? You going up or down? Up, okay. Have a good day. Have a good day, sir. Let's go back down to P. Let's go back down to P. This one appears to be a little slower than the other one. There's the concourse. We're gonna go back up to S and try and get a silent take going up. I know that depends if no one's here. That doesn't work. Barely hear the voice. That also barely lights up. Actually, I want to see if the lanterns work on C too. Can barely hear the motor because of the fan, unfortunately. Nope. That doesn't work. How about down on street level? Both of those arrows don't light up. Here we are at S. Nope, that doesn't work. And we're gonna send it to P from there. Oh, sorry, sir. Oh, that lights up. We're gonna try and get we're gonna try and get it lighting up.
Next to arrive on track 1, section A.
Oh, other look around. There's a mailbox. Some more mosaics right there.
Next to arrive on track 1, section A.
Oh wow, I like this mat. You have what's it called in English? You have welcome in different languages. There's English, Spanish. I'm not sure what this language is, but that was my phone. I'm not sure what these two languages are. And there's the SEPTA S, Southeastern. I'm trying to get my sneaks out of the frame. Southeastern Pennsylvania Transportation Authority right there. I really like those gates. I really like the design of those gates right there. really like the design of those gates right there. We're gonna try and send this to P and get that chiming. The vid's been going on for almost 11 minutes right now.
Go back up. Yeah, go back up, right up.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, literally on that front.
Oh, you're going down? You can get off here
You get off here.
if need be.
What was the set? Well, you have a ball, you have 2 pounds power, you have a ball, you have steps. Yep. All right, thank you. Go ahead.
Let's try this again. So we're seeing to the shaft right there. Here it comes. And that's it.